Hello everyone, I'm doing this again. This is after the last update of the GoPro Hero 5 Black. Now, tell me, how do I sound? Do you hear any background noise? And this is again 1080p 30 frames a second and the audio is on auto. Now I'm speaking to the GoPro in stereo. So this means you can hear a difference when I speak on this side or when I speak on this side. So how do I sound? Can you hear any background noise now? And now once again, this is 1080p 30 frames a second and the audio is on wind only mode. So tell me, how do I sound? Can you hear any background noise? So this is now again in a stereo, but I wanted to talk about this problem because it's obviously a problem. This is now after the final update. I mean, I don't think they have done so much for the GoPro to sound, to better its sound, how do you say, to improve its sound quality. I find it also very sad that, that the mic isn't what it's supposed to do. I mean, at this price point, you expect to have a good sound quality. It said that you have to buy one of these little things and connect it to maybe your GoPro with an adapter that's too expensive, or just buy a separate thing to record on it. I mean, the quality obviously should sound a little better now. I mean, now I have the mic, now I can talk, I can make videos, but this is twice so much work. I mean, it's not twice so much work, but I mean it's more work. You are going to invest more time in this. This is time consuming. I think the problem has to do with gain. If you want to know more about this problem, maybe this video can help you. Thanks for watching and have a great time or a great day. And this is with this mic, not with the mic that the GoPro uses. Thanks for watching.